Hey fifth graders, this is your video on how to complete your math homework for Monday, February 22nd. So the first thing you need to do is go to our Google Classroom and open it and click on it. So you need to read each of the questions and notice that there is a coordinate plane to the right. The first one says, start at the origin. Remember, the origin is 0, 0. Move right 2 units. Units means spaces, and up 7 units. What is the letter at that point? So if I go right 2 units, 1, 2, and up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm at point A. So right here, I type A. Then I click out of the box, and if I'm correct, I will start to see a picture form here. However, if I'm not, let me go back up, and nothing happened when I clicked out of it. That must mean I'm not correct. So if nothing happens, you know that your answer is not right. Something I want to point out is right here, there's arrows. You'll need to click that down arrow in order to choose your answer. This one says use the arrow to select the coordinate of point G. Remember, we go over on the X, then up the Y. So G would be 6, 4. I went over 6 and up 4. So I need to select this arrow and click 6, 4. Again, if a picture begins to pop up, you know you got the answer right. If not, you know it's incorrect. So if it has an arrow, make sure you click the arrow. Now the last one I want to talk about is the bottom one. Which letter is 4 units from the y-axis and 6 units from the x-axis? So you will have to type a letter in there, okay? When you're done, you should have a picture form right here. Don't forget, when you are completely finished, you go back in, you click View Assignment, and turn it in. Do not just click Turn it in. Do not just click Turn it in. All right, make sure you get your homework done.